The Rolls Royce factory is a place of precision. Robots and skilled craftspeople work together. First, the chassis is assembled with care. Aluminum is welded to create a strong frame. Next, the engine is meticulously built. Each part is checked for perfect quality. The body panels are then shaped and fitted. Robots paint each car with many layers. This gives the Rolls Royce its shiny look. Inside, leather and wood are carefully placed. Craftspeople sew the leather by hand. Wood trim is polished to a smooth finish. The seats are made for comfort. Every detail is checked closely. The wheels and tires are added. Each wheel is balanced for a smooth ride. The car is tested on a special track. Engineers listen for any problems. The electronics are programmed. The navigation and sound systems are tested. Finally, the Rolls Royce is ready. It is driven off the assembly line. Perfect. The Rolls Royce is loaded onto a truck. It is ready to be delivered. The car travels to its new owner. The owner is excited to receive it. The Rolls Royce is a symbol of luxury. It is a masterpiece of engineering. The factory makes dreams come true. Each car is special. It represents the best of craftsmanship. The Rolls Royce is a car to admire.